Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So this one is slightly different. I found myself throughout the month of December picking up my camera more often than usual, and then I suppose I figured that I had enough footage to create a December vlog, which is just going to be a high level view of some of the things that I did in the month of December. At points it looks a bit like a food vlog, but I do eat on a daily basis, so I suppose it's not abnormal that food would feature several times. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I don't know if this is going to be a regular occurrence, but yeah, enjoy. So today is December the 19th and it's currently 5:21 p.m. I have an interview coming up at 6:30 p.m. which has to be the latest interview that I've ever had, ever. But it is what it is. And earlier today at 2 p.m. I had another interview, the final interview of 3 interviews for one particular company, and I'll get the outcome for that on probably Wednesday. I do have a good feeling about it, but you just never know. It's just me and another candidate that went through to this final stage, so who knows? I have no idea who that other candidate is and, you know, what their background is. But, you know, if it's mine, it'll come to me. If it's for me, you know, because what is for you will not pass you by. But yeah, I'm ready for these interviews to be done now. So yeah, I have the one this evening, and then I have a phone interview tomorrow morning at 9. And then yeah, it's just a matter of waiting, and I'm also waiting for the outcome for another interview that I had on Tuesday of last week. So yeah, I've been quite busy, quite busy, but I'm ready to just hear the words, "We're offering you the job," and we can just cut off this like job hunting process. I'm ready. Right, hello everyone. So I just wanted to do a quick video update. I'm currently sat on the floor. But yeah, I just wanted to update you that I have been officially offered a job and I have accepted the offer. But yeah, this particular role, I had applied for it on December the 7th, and then on that same day I got an email from the recruiter to say that you know, the hiring manager would be interested in interviewing me. And then on Monday I had my final interview, Monday the 19th of December, and here we are today on the 21st, and the job is officially mine. It is absolutely crazy. What was interesting is when I went to the first interview on the 28th, not the 28th, sorry, on the 8th of December, the hiring manager said to me, "Oh, we were hoping for one more applicant." She was waiting and hoping for a final applicant, so it was just funny to think that she was wishing for somebody, and then I came along and applied. I was the last person to apply for the role, and I was the person that got the role. So yeah, I just love how God has worked this all out, and I'm really excited to see you know, how things go at this company. Hi everyone, so today is December 22nd. I'm actually off work today, and I'm just in the process of organising my life for a video that I need to film for another job that I applied for, but this is not a full-time job. This is more like a freelance, on the side, occasional work type situation. But yeah, I thought I would document my planning process as part of this December vlog. So yeah, let's get back to planning. Can we just take one moment to appreciate my setup? This is my tablet, and it is currently sitting on a heater box. This is what I'm using as my tripod to film this video. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video insightful. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell. And whilst you're here, why not check out some of the other videos that we have available? That's cute. Before I start my day, I just wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. I hope you have a beautiful day.
Then the baby looks at you and does the projectile vomiting.